Hello everyone. So welcome back. My name is Muhammad Khalid and we are learning the chapter motion and its types. So in previous lectures we have learned about different kind of motion that were rectilinear, curvilinear, circular motion, oscillatory motion. Today we will learn some different types of motion as well that are first of all is repetitive motion. So what is a repetitive motion? So in nature we have seen that many things are happening again and again after a certain time or in a random time, है ना? Either there is a particular time interval they are happening, or without any time interval they are happening. Like if we have to give an example for that, suppose that you are blinking your eyes, you always blink, है ना? But the blinking of eye is not a it does not occur in a particular time interval. You cannot say that, oh okay, after every 10 second I will blink my eye, or after 1 minute I will blink my eye. It is a not predefined motion, but it will repeat itself again and again, है ना? We have to, whether you are waiting for 10 second or 1 minute, but after 1 minute or 10 second or 30 second or even 5 minute, whatever time it is, you have to blink your eyes, है ना? So it is a repetitive motion. Sea waves, we are looking at sea waves. Sea waves are also coming, they also coming all the time, but the waves that are generating, it is not a, they do not occur in a particular time interval. So it is also, but they repeat itself, so it is known as repetitive. And the if we look at the watch or clock, then we have seen that their minute hand, second hand, or hour hands, they rotate, they revolve, and after a certain time interval again they will have the same motion or same position, है ना? So what does this mean? This means that many things are there in nature that are repeating itself, whether it is in a particular time or in a random time. So let's see the definition of the repetitive motion. So we will say a motion is a motion as a repetitive if it repeats itself again and again. If it repeats itself again and again. Now this repetition can be happening in a particular time interval or in not a uniform time. Okay, so based on that we have distinguished repetitive motion as periodic and non-periodic motion. So what is periodic motion? Periodic motion is a type of repetitive motion in which the repetition is happening at a particular time interval. Here fixed time interval is important because all these repetitions are happening in a particular time interval. So this kind of motion is known as repetitive motion, such as revolutions of planet. We have seen that after completing 1 year of its planet, the planet comes to the same position. Like if we are considering Earth, then according to Earth's time, it takes 1 year to complete one complete revolution of the sun. And after completing, today is 29th of May, then after 1 year, on the same day 29th of May, the position of the earth will be same as it is right now. So it is a repetitive motion but periodic because it is happening again and again after a particular time period, that is, for the in this case it is 1 year. Motion of hour hand, minute hand, or second hand. Suppose that this is our clock and this is the second hand. Second hand is, suppose that right now it is indicating towards the 12, but after 1 minute it will complete one revolution and again will indicate to the 12. The minute hand, suppose that it is right now indicating to 2, then after 60 minutes it will again indicate to the number 2. And what about the hour hand? Hour hand, suppose that it is now indicating towards 1, then after 12 hours it will again indicate towards the 1. So here time interval is fixed na, this is the time interval. For second hand 1 minute is the time interval, for minute hand 60 minute is the time interval, for hours hand 12 hours is the time interval. So these things are happening after a particular time interval. We will say, sir, these needles, these minute hand, second hands are having a periodic motion. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next, that is non-periodic motion. Already we have told about non-periodic, like if the repetition does not happen within a particular time interval, does not happen है ना, within a particular time interval, repetition is happening but it is not happening in a particular time interval, then the motion is known as non-periodic motion. Like blinking of eye, already we have seen given this example, that we blink our eyes but not in a particular time interval, not a particular time, not in a particular fashion. Sea waves is also coming, they are, sea waves are also coming, but they do not come on a particular time, है ना, they can come anytime. You cannot tell the this is the particular time interval between the two sea waves, like after 15 minutes the first sea wave has come, after 15 minutes the second will come, or after 5 minutes the second will come. You cannot define that na. So this is also a non-periodic motion, but it is happening again and again, so it is under the repetitive motion. Next one is random motion. So what is a random motion? Few motions are in nature that do not follow any time period or any position, like their changes. Let's read the definition. If the object changes its position and direction irregularly, position and direction both or any of them is changing irregularly irrespective of time, means neither it is following the time nor it is following any particular pattern, then this kind of motion is known as random motion. For example, flying kite, bee, it is also flying in a garden, then it does not, we do not predict any where it will go now. And the flying jet, this is a name of movie. In this movie the hero is a superhero and he is flying, so flying jet, he is also having an random motion. Okay, so these kind of motions we have studied about. We have to know that what are the different types of motion that we have seen. We have seen about repetitive, non-repetitive. In this repetitive and non-repetitive, we have seen periodic and non-periodic motion and some random motions. Okay, for examples, if we have to see the examples, then let's check one by one. The spinning of top, it is rotation or rotationary or circular motion, है ना, rotationary motion. The rotation of earth about its axis, it is also a rotational motion. But the rotation of planets or satellites around the earth, it is a circular motion, है ना. Example, this is an example of circular motion. Here we have seen the periodic motion. Look, hours and seconds and minutes and all these hands are revolving after a particular time interval, so this is a periodic motion. Periodic, this is a periodic motion. And the earth is changing its position after particular time interval, so it is also a periodic motion, है ना. Now this is pendulum bob is moving here and there. This is the mean position. Suppose that this is the mean position, this is the mean position, and the pendulum bob is moving towards here and then opposite side. Then we will say what, this is also this is having to and fro motion, to and fro motion about its mean position, so we will say, sir, it is an oscillatory motion. This is an what, this is a oscillatory motion, है ना. The swinging, look, these swings are not moving here and there, So we will say, sir, this is the position mean, this is the mean position, but from mean position the children are moving to and fro, so we will say it is also a oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion, got it? So these are examples of oscillatory motion. So we have seen about different kinds of motion and their examples. In next lecture we are going to learn about the distance and the speed. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.